Bata pa yan, marunong magmaniobra yan. I remember my son when he was younger, we were in Unimart. Are you familiar with that place? During the peak time, punong-puno ng tao, nagpupumilit bumili ng family computer Nintendo cartridge. Remember those days? $600. We always said, your dad and mom, we have to work, huh? We don't have money, we're not rich, we can't afford that. Alam mo ginawa ng bata? Kung kailan marami ng tao, ah! Sabi ko, grabe naman. Hindi lang yan, gumulong. Would you like to know how I dealt with that? Very simple. Habang gumugulong, sabi ko, uy, ganda, gumugulong, gulong pa, kulang pa yan, gulong. He did it to me twice, I did it back to him twice, he never did it again. Why? Management principle. Only rewarded actions are repeated. We make mistakes. That's why I would encourage you, those who come for the first time, every single Sunday, para ka nagseseminar, you get to learn principles, not only on the area of parenting, but about life itself. Let me give you the second one, very, very quickly.